Hello, my name is Marcello with 3S Shooting Sports Software. Today I would like to show you how to download and run the PC Master update for the ATA. The process is similar for the PITA, however, there are a few differences that are noted in the manual. If you have any questions on how to run a PITA PC Master, please review the manual. First off, go to the Downloads page. Now select Download PC Master Update. Because we're doing the ATA update, I'm going to click on Download ATA Update. Once the download is complete, go ahead and open the file. You do that by clicking on the file in the lower left-hand corner of your screen. Now Windows Defender will pop up. Click More Info, then click Run Anyway. Now Windows will ask you if you want to allow this application to run. Select Yes. Now read the terms and conditions. Basically, this is just alerting you that the location of the PC Master file has changed. Now it is located underneath the C:3S directory instead of the 3S trap or Shoot Pro directory. You will need to change directories in order for this process to work. Now select Next. Now click Install. Once it is complete, we suggest that you select No to running the update now. Finally, click Finish. Now open Shoot Pro. If it is the first time that you've ran Shoot Pro since you last restarted your computer, you will see this message. You can simply ignore it. Once Shoot Pro is open, go to the File menu, then go to number 6, Load ATA History. Now click Run. Then you will need to go back one folder to the 3S directory. Just click on 3S in the upper portion of the screen. Now select the PC Master file. Finally, click Open. This process will take several minutes to complete. Once it is complete, you will see this notice. Click OK. Now for this example, I'm going to be running a shoot that has 4 singles classes and 3 doubles classes. I am going to select the singles classes as 4. As you can see, the percentages automatically update. Then I'm going to do the same for doubles. Once again, you can see that the percentages automatically change. Now I'm going to select to calculate the average over the course of 3 years. Finally, I'm going to click the Post button. This process will take several minutes to complete. Once it is complete, you will see this message. Click OK. Now 3S must restart. Reopen 3S and you will be able to see that the PC Master file has updated. You will also see the new scores history number. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@shootingsportssoftware.com or call us at 1-801-396-7800. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see when we post new content, hit the subscribe button. And if you'd like to receive notifications on when we post new videos, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.